are capacitors and how do they work? So capacitors work because they store charge between the plates, and they get charged up because we can connect them to a power supply. What happens then is one of the plates will become negative and the other plate will become positive, storing that charge then between the two plates. They're also used in nearly every electronic device because without them there would be glitches and it would even malfunction. Mains electricity in the UK operates at 230 volts and is alternating current. It supplies an alternating voltage. But inside our homes, our phones and things like your laptops, they can only operate on a direct voltage, a voltage that only goes in one direction, supplying that steady voltage. So what we need is a thing first called a rectifier, which is like a diode, to only let the current or the voltage go in one direction. So rather than going up and down or back and forward, it will only go in that one direction. But we still will have these dips, okay? And that's what can damage your electronics. So that's when the capacitor comes in then. So when the voltage increases, the capacitor gets charged up, and when the voltage drops, that's when your capacitor now will discharge, leveling out those dips. And again, when the voltage rises, the capacitor again charges, like being connected to my power source. And then when the voltage drops, the capacitor will discharge, releasing its energy, and that then starts to level out our bumps. So eventually then, we'll just end up with our direct voltage or our direct current. Follow me for more physics content like this.